Hey, thanks for clicking on my video. If this video helps you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It is greatly appreciated and it really helps. Let's get to the video. Let's find the sum of a series. Okay, so we're just going to jump right in. We're going to do 4 examples in this video, and 2 of these examples are going to be a special series. So let's see if we can identify those. Number 1, we have an upper limit of 9, we have a lower limit of 3, and our rule is 4k minus 1. So what we do is we look and we see, okay, k is 3, that's our first term that we're going to work with. So I would just need to take 3, plug it in for k, and that's my first term that we're going to find or use to find the sum of this series. So now I'm going to say plus, and I'm going to do 4 times 4 minus 1, plus, and I'm going to go all the way until I plug in 9 for k. All right, so 4 times 5 minus 1, 4 times 6 minus 1, 4 times 7 minus 1, 4 times 8 minus 1, and lastly 4 times 9 minus 1. So now let's just evaluate these. 4 times 3 would be 12, 12 minus 1 is 11, 16 minus 1, 15, 20 minus 1 would be 19, 24 minus 1 would be 23, 28 minus 1 would be 27, 32 minus 1 would be 31, and 36 minus 1 would be 35. So if you notice, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27, 31, 35, we're just adding 4 each time. So now let's add these numbers together. So if I did 11 and 25, that would, or excuse me, 11 and 15, that would give me a 26. 26 and 19 would give me a 45. 45 and 23 would give me 68. 68 and 27 would give me 80, 95. And 95 and 31 would give me 126. And 126 and 35 would give me 161. Okay, so the sum of the series would be 161. All right, number 2, we have an upper limit of 5 and our lower limit is 1, and our rule is just 8i. So we're just going to do 8 times 1 plus 8 times 2 plus 8 times 3 all the way till we get to 8 times 5. Okay? All right, so 8 times 1 would be 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. So 8 and 16 would be 24, 24 and 24 would be 48, 48 and 32 would be 80, and 80 and 40 would be 120. So our sum for the series for number 2 would be 120. All right, and for number 3, we have an upper limit of 42, our lower limit is 1, and our rule is just 1. So what does this mean? This means that my first term is 1, my second term is 1, my third term is 1, my fourth term is 1, all the way until we get to the 42nd term, which is also 1. So basically we're just doing 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 42 times. So what's our sum going to be? Well, it's going to be 42, right? So this is an example of a special series that we're actually going to go a little bit more in depth into in the next video that I upload on my channel. All right, number 4, we have an upper limit of 10, a lower limit of 1, and our rule is just k. So here we would say 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 8, plus 9, and plus 10. And we're just going to add these together. So 1 and 2 would be 3, 3 and 3 would be 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, and 55. Okay, so our answer for number 4 would be 55, and this is also a special series that will also be included in the next video on special series and sigma notation. All right, so that's how you can find the sum of a series in sigma notation.